Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Factorial Health. Today we will going to show 3 more relaxing exercises for your legs. Well, let's get started. We specially prepare these for the aged people. So, if you guys are belongs in teenager group, then help to spread among them. After sitting, try to keep calm your mind by focusing on breathe in and breathe out. First, spread your legs in front of you, something like this. Then, lift your left leg on the right leg like this. After that, pull and push your knees with your hands like this for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, do this same way in the opposite leg for 5 minutes more, like I am showing here. Well done. Now we will move to the second exercise. Try to sit in the position shown in the video. Don't force yourself to get the position perfectly. If you facing difficulty or uncomfortable, put your hands behind your back. This helps you to feel comfortable. Then slowly lift your legs together towards up and down. This is very good exercise. If there has no problem, then accelerate according your ability. In this last part, we will lie down in Vishnu position. Then slowly lift upper leg towards upper side and bring back to the previous position. Do this at least 20 times. And after that, change your position to opposite side and repeat for 20 times more like I am showing here. These magical exercises helps you to disappear your pain and gives instant relief. If you do it every day, you will get well permanently. Thank you.